Good evening, friends. In the last videos, sir, we covered up to LBP number 58. So these programs are related to the strings. So how you can able to manipulate with the strings, all these things we are discussing, right? So continuation for this, we need to go for LBP number, so 59. So what is that LBP number 59? Let us have a look once. Sir, here this 59th program, okay, so is nothing but something like anagrams program. Maybe you have heard about this word, or I don't know. Have a look once. Anagrams. So what is mean by anagrams, and how you can able to find out whether the given two strings are anagrams or not? Sir, the strings input is nothing but two strings we have to supply from the user. We need to supply two strings from the user, which is nothing but A and B. And these two strings are called anagrams if they contains all the same characters in the same frequencies. So that means if ABC is one string, BCA is another string, sir, first string contains 1A, second string is also contains 1A. So first string contain 1B, second string is also contain 1B. First string contain 1C, second string is also contains 1C. So these two are said to be anagrams. Suppose if you are taking ABC, sir, BCC, no, it is not anagram, because so A is not available and C is repeated two times. Like means every character present in the first string should be there in the second string with respect to frequency, and in any order these two strings can be. Positions you can interchange, but a frequency and then number of characters should be matched. Then those two strings are said to be anagrams. Sir, okay, how we can able to do this problem? Sir, very simple. Just have a look once. We will see some examples, then only we will get some idea. 59, right? Yes. Have a look once. Sir, here you can able to see anagrams, Margana. These two are nothing but the same. So Java and Python, these two are not anagrams. How you can able to check whether two strings are anagrams or not? So read S1, read S2. So sort S1 in ascending order, sort S2 in ascending order. Both strings you have to sort in ascending order. Okay. Now strcmp, that is, so compare two strings, for equality. Sir, if both the strings are same, you have to return true or you have to return false. That's all. The concept is easy, right? Because sir, if you take ABC, sort this data according to ascending order, ABC we will get. Let me take BCA, sort according to ascending order, we will get ABC. Sir, these two strings are same or not? Yes. So we will get the message saying yes, these two are anagrams, else these two are not anagrams. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Sir, if the logic is clear, I will go with implementation. Yes, I request everyone to respond. Is the concept is clear, sir? Yeah. So let me go with C language implementation first. So how to implement in C language? Okay. Observe carefully. I am taking the programming language as a C. First step, I will read two strings. Character S1 of 100. And I am taking S2 of 100. Two characters I accepted. Maybe some temporary character may be required for swapping purpose. Integer ij must be required. That's all. Now I am reading first string scanf percentage s comma percentage s s1 and then s2. These two strings I am reading. Next, what activity we have to do? Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than or s of s1 of I plus plus s1 of j plus plus. So I am taking characters, sir. If s1 of I is greater than s1 of j, that means if a first character is greater when compared with second character based on ASCII values I am comparing, then swapping must be required. Ch is equal to first character, s1 of I is equal to, sorry, s2 of j I am taking, sorry, s1 of j I am taking, then s1 of j is equal to ch I am taking. Like I am interchanging the positions, so that what will happen, all the elements in the first string will be sorted. Okay, all the elements in the first string will be sorted. If you want, I will explain manually, just observe carefully. Assume ACB is there. Sir, I am taking I is equal to 0. It will take this character and compare with C. What is the ASCII value of A? It is nothing but something like 97. So 98, 99 is nothing but ASCII value of C. Sir, is it lesser value or not? Yes. So swapping won't be performed. Then A is lesser than B. Swapping won't be performed. First character is already in sorting. Select a second character C, and so that character ASCII value is nothing but 99. So is greater than, is greater than. Okay, what is the next one? S1 of j, this character, what is its ASCII value? Sir, I think 98. So condition is satisfied. So ch is equal to s1 of I, that is nothing but C, and s1 of I is nothing but s1 of j, that is B will be replaced here, and that C I am going to update to here, so that the character will become ABC. Like this we are performing which operation, sir? Sorting operation. Sir, this is for first string. Okay, so same operation you have to do for second string. What changes we have to do? S2, and here also S2. So here also S2, here also S2, 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 and we have to take S2 and then S2 like this. Sir, two strings are sorted strings. Now you can take, so there is one function is there with name strcmp, which will take two strings and returns 0 if both strings are equal. Then I have to print the message called true, otherwise you can print the message called false. Let me run the code, how it is going to work. Yes, both test cases are passed successfully, and let us submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see here all the test cases are satisfied. Okay, so this is nothing but how it is going to work. Okay, second explain loop. See, for j is equal to I plus 1, s1 of j, already ABC is there. Okay, this is nothing but I is equal to 0. J is equal to I plus 1 means I value is 0. So J value, we have to compare A value with B and A value with C. That's why for comparison purpose, we need these two locations. So this one is 1, this one is 2. From where we have to compare I plus 1 until you are getting that character J plus plus. Okay, clear? So this is nothing but C language what we have. Let me go for Java implementation, sir. How you can able to do this problem in Java? Let us have a look once. So in Java, of course, here also easy concepts are there. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. So we have to read anyway string, but I will convert that string into character array. So obj dot next line dot to char array function is there, which is used to convert the given string into individual characters. Similarly, character ch2 is equal to, so obj dot next line dot, so 2 char array is there. It will convert second input into character array. Now, sir, why I am converting character array? Because in arrays class, there is one special function is there with name sort, sir. What this special function is going to do you know? It is going to sort the data in ascending order. So inbuilt method is there. That's why I am going to prefer this one. So next I am taking arrays dot sort of ch2. So second characters array also I sorted. Now for comparison, inbuilt method is there. You can compare two arrays whether two arrays are equal or not. Arrays dot equals of ch1 ch2. If the number of elements and the content is the same, this equals method will return true. Otherwise it will return false. Let me run the code. Yes, both the test cases are passed. And submit the code. Yes, the remaining test cases also passes. This is the way how you can able to implement the code in Java. Okay, and I want to solve this problem in Python. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. So S1 is equal to input I am taking. S2 is equal to input I am taking. So I have to print true when if sorted of S1 is double equal to sorted of S2. If both are equal, then I am going to return true. Otherwise, I am going to return false. Let me run the code. Yes, both the test cases are passed. And submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to check whether two strings are anagrams or not. So hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Any doubts? I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Yeah, so let me go for the next problem. Next challenge what we have here is LBP number 60. Okay, LBP number 60. Sir, max occurring character in the given string. Suppose if you are taking any string, sir, what is the maximum occurring character? First, I will take some examples and logic also. If the input is welcome, please confirm what output we are expecting here. In this welcome, which character is max occurring character, sir? Yes, please confirm. Very good. E. Suppose if I am taking Java, so what is the max occurring character? Please confirm. Very good. That is nothing but output. Do you know what I am going to do is, how many ASCII values are there? 256 ASCII values are there. Every ASCII value I am taking 0. Every ASCII value I am taking 0 initially. Now for each I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus, I am fetching every character. So I'm taking a of, sir, s of I will return the character. Okay, that character plus plus I am taking. What will happen? Corresponding ASCII values will be incremented, right? So suppose if you take a of, some ASCII value will be incremented. Okay, suppose a of if you are getting the string called a, so a of 97 will be default 0. Now you will get 1, you will get 2. Then a of ASCII value of j will become 1. So a of ASCII value of v will become 1. In this, sir, max element is nothing but 2, right? So that we have to find out. Beyond that, nothing is there, sir. Okay, so hope the concept is very clear for you people. Please confirm if the concept is clear. I will go with implementation. Somewhere we have seen this type of program also, don't get confused. Shall we go? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Clear? Yeah, what is your doubt, Ranjish? Where you got problem? Where is your doubt? See, already we have discussed this kind of problem. Observe carefully. Suppose if you have any string, suppose assume ABC is there. So what is the ASCII value of a? 97. So I am taking a of 97 plus plus. Initially it was 0, now it will become 1. So again, if you are getting a, what will happen? One more time it will be incremented. So that we require maximum occurring character. If this value is the max, then it is nothing but max occurring. Suppose assume again we have 2 b's, then what will happen? So a of 98 will become initially 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. This is maximum, right? We will get that corresponding character. Clear? Prashant and Ranjish. Sir, is my voice is clear? Please confirm. Yeah. So let me go for direct implementation of this program. I am taking C language implementation. Let us see how to do this in C language. So LBP number 60. So I am taking character S1 of 100 characters. I think no need for S1. Simply you can take S of 100 and integer I comma a of 256 is equal to 0. Why? Because 256 characters are there, ASCII characters. Now I am reading the string from the user, percentage s comma yes. Now what is your requirement? Sir, we have to identify the string characters one by one. So s of I plus plus. What will happen? For every character, so a of, I think type conversion is required, s of I. So I am taking that character and I am converting into integer so that we will get integer value. Plus plus I am doing, so that what will happen? That array is filled with the characters which are available in your target string. Now, sir, initially I am assuming the maximum value is nothing but 0. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 256, I plus plus, we have to find out maximum value greater than this max. Sir, if array contains any value which is greater than 0, then that element will become maximum element. Sir, they are not asking that value count, they are not asking. They are asking the character. That's why you have to print percentage C. In the character format we are getting. Generally it is containing only values. Okay, but I'm capturing index value. Now observe what will happen here. Also we should not take max, we have to take a of max because we are capturing indexes. Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. Yes, working properly. Sir, same scenario I have to do it in Java. Let me go for Java implementation and let us see how you are going to do this. So what is the first step? So we have to declare scanner class. What is the purpose of scanner class? To read input from the user. Obj is equal to new scanner of, I am taking system.in. So what is the next one? I am taking string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking integer a is equal to new integer of 256 characters. I variable is required, max is required. So for each for each I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus I am taking. So a of, anyway you have to typecast to integer, s dot char at of I plus plus I am taking. Okay, so your max value will become 0. For I is equal to 0, I less than 256, I plus plus. If a of I value is greater than a of max, then what we have to do? Max will become I. That's all. System dot out dot println of convert that max value into character and then print. So because in C language we have percentage C, directly we can print, but here compulsory type conversion must be required, otherwise we will get only integer value. Let me run the code. Yes, so this is nothing but how you can able to solve in Java. But in Python, of course you can use the same terminology, but for this we have some inbuilt module is there, sir. Listen carefully. By using that inbuilt module we can solve this. So what is that module? Is nothing but import counter. There is one special module is there with name counter, sorry, collections. What is a module name, sir? Collections module is there. I am reading input from the user, so my result is equal to on collections. Sir, we have a special function is there with name counter function is there. Just you have to pass that string as the input. Now if you print r, let us see what will happen. It will print every character's frequency. Have you observed? It is returning counter. E 2 times it is available, W 1 time, L 1 time, C 1 time, O 1 time, M 1 time, A 2 times, J 1 time, B 1 time, D 5 times, C 4 times, B 3 times, A 2 times, like this. Have you observed? But in this, what is our requirement? Not 2, this one we require. So how to do that? Very simple. I am putting this in a comment. I am taking print off. I need maximum value in R. I need maximum value in R. Sir, it won't return character, I think so. It will return the value. Yeah, maximum value it is going to return. So but that is not the requirement. Maximum in the sense based on ASCII value it is returning, but that is not the case. We have to find out based on key value. So key is equal to r dot get. So get the key value. Based on that key value, please compare, then we will get correct answer. Okay, because if you take this one Java, so what will happen? J is repeated 1 time. Sir, A is repeated 2 times, V is repeated 1 time. If you ask only max of R, in this R, what is the maximum value? V. It will return V. But key is equal to R dot get. Get will return these values. So based on this, we are going to get J, A, and then V. How many values are there? It will take in that maximum value is nothing but this one. Sir, I'm going to get its value, which is nothing but A. Okay, like this we are getting. Let me submit the code. Yes, so this is nothing but what we have. So hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? I request everyone to respond. Please confirm. Get is a function. Yes, correct. Abhishek, get is the function. See, it is a kind of attribute, sir. In the Python dictionaries, you can able to get these things. Okay, so we should not call the function. So we have to call its reference. So for that purpose, we will use like this. Okay, in Python functions concept, you will get it. Yeah. So I think it is very clear for you people. So that's all about today's session, sir. Today I'm going to take only 2 programs. So remaining things will be continued from Monday. Okay. Remaining things we are going to continue from Monday. So the next class will be on Monday, 7th March. Okay. Sir, next week we are going to plan some extra sessions also. Okay, so please be available next week. First 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these 3 days regular session will be there from 7 to 8:30. Maybe 1.5 hours I will take. So that I will inform you in the group Monday timings. So 7 to 8:30 will be there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These 4 days we are going to take 50 programs. These 4 days we are trying to plan for 50 programs. So that timings is nothing but, sir, maybe 7:30 to 8:30. 7:30 to 8:30, or sometimes 7:30 to max 8:30 will be there, sometimes 9 o'clock. Okay, please be prepared for that, because those 50 programs are nothing but matrix programs, sir. Matrix programs. So if you understand one program, remaining things will become very easy. Okay, so 7th, 8th, 9th, these 3 days we will finish the remaining programs on strings. Then you will get a confident how to work with arrays. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sorry, Thursday, probably I will take Thursday, otherwise Friday, Saturday, Sunday, these 3 days or 4 days, these timings will be there, 7:30 to 9. With a new link we are going to see these 50 programs. These 50 programs are completely the programs on matrices. Okay, and that number is also from, I think, 2012 to 250. Okay, yeah, sir, thank you. I will update the running notes within few minutes. You can download. Thank you guys, you can leave the session now. Good night.